Welcome to today's video lesson on Quizlet. Quizlet is an online flashcard program that's an excellent study aid for vocabulary and other information that you need, not only for your science class, but for any of your classes. It is a free program. You can go on and sign up using an email address and a password. If you don't want to use your own email address and your own password, you can log in using your Google information from Palm Beach County Public Schools. That is S and your student number at stu.palmbeachschools.org. You would then use the same password that you do to log on to our school website. So again, you can sign up for your own free account or use your Palm Beach County Public Schools account to log in. Once you have logged in, give me a moment to log in here. Once you have logged in, you want to access the science vocabulary words, which I've already put into the program for you. In order to find my list, all you need to do is search Quizlet by typing in my username, which is Kirsten Knowles, and then you will search me. Again, my username is Kirsten Knowles, spelled KirstenKnowles, no spaces, no dashes, no dots. Just type in Kirsten Knowles. You'll know that you found me as a user when you see the red starfish. If you click on me, you'll then be able to see all of the vocabulary lists that I have created. Now I'm going to tell you a little hint. I've created all the vocabulary lists in here, but you cannot view them all at once. I don't release the list until the day that the vocabulary assignment is due. So, for example, if the vocabulary cards are due on Wednesday, Wednesday will be the first day that you will be able to use the Quizlet online or app. All you're going to do is you're going to locate the chapter that we are working on. So right now we're working in chapter 1. So if you click on that set of vocabulary cards, it's going to give you all of the words and all of the definitions. Again, this is an excellent way to practice your vocabulary. There are several online games. You can use them as flashcards. It will give you the word, and then when you tap, it will give you the definition. Or you can flip them so that it gives you the definition and you then need to guess the word. There are also tests that you can make using these. The vocabulary quiz that we're going to take is a matching quiz. So if you wanted to make a vocabulary quiz that literally looks just like our vocabulary quiz, you're going to be matching. You can start with either the term or the definition. You can choose which one, and then you're going to choose the number of questions that you want. If you want all 38, you'll go ahead and reconfigure it to have all 38 terms, and then it will make you a vocabulary quiz that literally looks exactly like what your quiz that you're going to take on Friday will look like. Now, Friday's quiz is not going to have all of the words on it. We'll talk about that in class. It's only going to have 20 words on it. And for this vocabulary quiz, I will identify which of those 20 terms are going to be on there. You have the option to print the test so that you can take a pen and pencil test just like you're going to have in class. There are other games that you can play. Scatter is a game where you're going to be matching the words and definitions simply by dragging one to the other, and then this is like a matching game. A graph is a picture information from a data table, shows the relationship between the variables. What I'd like you to do is I'd like you to spend some time looking at the Quizlet app using the information from this chapter. If you have a smartphone or a tablet, you can also download Quizlet so that you can have that app with you all of the time, practicing it all of the time. If you have any questions, we will address them in class tomorrow. Have a good evening.